Okay, next question from do these questions. Using log x base log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a, expand the following. So in that fourth question, log 1024. So base is not given here, so we have to consider base as 10. Okay, now take the factors of 1024. So we can take that as, or we can write that as 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next to 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. Next to 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Next to 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So 1 2, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12. Next to 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So we can write that is equal to log, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 2 power 10, base 10. So what is the answer? Log 1024 base 10 is equal to 10 log 2 base 2. So by using that formula. Okay, it is given now. In the question, he given log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. So this is your answer. Okay, third question, log 5 power 23. So by using the principle or the power rule, we have to solve this question. It's very simple. Power comes before the log. So 23 log 5. So this is answer. Right, try these questions. Find the value of the following. In the first one, log 32 base 2. So log 32 base 2 we can write as log 32 base 2. So 32, take the factors with 2. 2 ones are, 2 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So we can write that as log 2 power 5. How many 2's are there? 5 2's are here. So log 2 power 5 base 2. Next, by using power rule, 5 log 2 base 2. Since we can write here log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. And one more formula, that is log a base a is equal to 1. So 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. Okay. Log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. So we can use one more method, that is let log 32 base 2 is equal to some x. Let us consider log 32 base 2 is equal to x. So by using the definition of logarithm, we know that if log n base a is equal to x, then we can write exponential form, that is a power x is equal to n. Okay, so it is given in the logarithmic form, that is log 32 base 2 is equal to x, implies a. What is a? A is 2 here, that is 2 power x, x is x only, is equal to n. N is 32, right? So 2 power x is equal to 32. As we know that 32 we can write as 2 power 5. When the bases are same or equal, we have to write their powers equal, or we have to equalize their powers. Therefore, we can write x is equal to 5. Now substitute in 1. Substitute in 1, what we get? Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. X is nothing but 5. So this is your answer. Second question, log root c base c. So log root c base c, we can write that as log c power 1 by 2. It is a square root now. So we can write that as c power 1 by 2 and base 2. By using power rule, we can write 1 by 2 log c base c. Since I mentioned here, log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. Okay, that is equal to half into, and we know that if the number and say and the base of a logarithm same, that is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1 and that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So one more method, we can write this as log root c base c is equal to 1 by 2. So one more method, in one more method we can write log, let log root c base c is equal to some x. By definition, log n base a is equal to x implies a power x is equal to n. Okay, by using this principle or the formula, now we are going to solve this question. That is log root c base c is equal to some x implies a. What is a? In the place of it is c. C power x is equal to root c. That implies c power x is equal to c power 1 by 2. Here the bases are same. So we can equalize the power. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is nothing but we consider log root c base c is equal to x, no? So from there we can write 1 implies log root c base c is equal to x. X value is 1 by 2. That is answer. Next question. Next question, log 0.001 base 10. So that is equal to, now remove the decimal and write in p by q form, that is 1 by 1000 base 10. That is equal to log. So 1000 we can write as 10 cube base 10. Now if I want to write this 10 cube in the numerator form, so we can write that as 10 power. Here it is the positive power, now it becomes negative. So 10 power minus 3 base 10. By using power rule, minus 3 log 10 base 10. And that is equal to minus 3 into 1. So I mentioned here the formula log x power n base a is equal to m log x base a. In the same way, log a base a is equal to 1. So in one more method we can write, let log 0.001 base 10 is equal to some x. Consider this as equation 1. By using the definition of logarithm, if log n base a is equal to x implies we can write that as a power x is equal to n. So by using this principle or the formula, we can write log 0.001 base 10 is equal to x implies a, what is a is 10 power x, x is x is equal to n. What is n? N is 0.01. So 10 power x is equal to 0.01 or 10 power x is equal to, write in the p by q form, that is 1 by 1000. So 10 power x is equal to 1 by 10 cube, or 10 cube is equal to 10 power minus 3. Now we have written 1 by 10 cube as a numerator form, that is 10 power minus 3. Your bases are equal or same, therefore their powers must be equal. X is equal to minus 3. Hence we can say that log 0.01 base 10 is equal to minus 3. That is our answer. Next, fourth question, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So we can write that as log 8. We can write 8 as 2 cube by 27 as 3 cube and base 2 by 3. That is equal to. So we may write 2 by 3 as the powers of both numerator and denominator same. So we may write this as 2 by 3 whole cube and the base is 2 by 3. Okay. By using power rule, we can write 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So that is equal to 3 into 1 and that is 3. So I'll mention the formula here, log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. So here, if the number of logarithm and its base is same, its value is always 1. So we may write that as log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3, that is equal to 3. So in one more method, by using the definition of logarithm, we can write that as log, let log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3, that is equal to some x. Consider this as equation 1. So by using definition, we write log n base a is equal to x implies a power x is equal to n. So the question is log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3, that is equal to, we considered x, and that implies, so in the place of a it is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to a power x, x is x only, that is n, n value in the place of n we have this 8 by 27, this 8 by 27 implies 2 by 3 whole power x is equal to, we write 8 as 2 cube and 27 as 3 cube, implies 2 by 3 whole power x is equal to 2 by 3. Both powers are same, no? We can write that as whole power 3. So here the bases are same. So if the bases are same, their powers must be equal. So x is equal to 3. Therefore we can write log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. X value, what is X value? 3. That is the answer. Okay, next question. Think and discuss. We know that if 7 is equal to 2 power x, then x is equal to log 7 base 2. So by using the definition, if it is in exponential form, then we can write that as in the logarithm form. Then what is the value of 2 power log 7 base 2? Justify your answer. Generalize the above by taking some more examples for a power log n base a. Okay, so it is given. So what is given? Given that 7 is equal to 2 power x, then x is equal to log 7 base 2. So by using this principle, now we are going to find the value of 2 power log 7 base 2. So let log 7 base 2 is equal to what I consider is x. So we can consider that as x. Okay now. Right. So here we have the formula. What is that formula? A power x is equal to, consider this as the equation 1. A power x is equal to n implies log n base a is equal to x by using the principle or by using the definition of logarithm. So here a power x is equal to n. So a, what is a? Now write this in the form of logarithm log n. Let me write the question. 2 power log 7 base 2 is equal to n. So in the place of n, so 2 power log 7 base 2 is equal to some x implies log n. N value, what is n value? X here. Base a. So what is base a? What is a value here? A value is 2. So base 2 is equal to x. So this is the x value, that is log 7 base 2. So if you observe here, the log with base 2, log with base 2, both are same. Now we can cancel that one and simply we can write that as x is equal to 7. Okay, that is the answer. So therefore we may write 2 power log 7 base 2 is equal to 7. That is our answer. Now we have to take some more example. So justify your answer. Generalize about taking some more examples. Let me take one example. 3 power log 5 base 3. Okay. So what happens? 3 power log 5 base 3. Let 3 power log 5 base 3 is equal to, we consider x by using the principle or by using the definition a power x base n. A power x is equal to n implies log n base a is equal to x. So this is the formula. Now we are going to apply this formula. So a power x. So 3 power log 5 base 3 is equal to x implies log n. In the place of n we have x base a. What is a value? A value is 3. Right here 3 x. X value. What is x? So here x value is this one. Log 5 base 3. So if you observe, log with base 3, log with base 3 both are same. So we can cancel, or simply we can write x is equal to 5. So therefore we get 3 power log 5 base 3 is equal to x. So in the place of x we got x 5, no? So this is the answer. So if you observe, similarly we can prove 2 power log 8, 2 power log 9 base 2. So what is our answer? We get this answer only, right? So simply we can write, or we can generalize a power log x base a. Simply we can generalize a power log n base a is equal to n. So this is the formula. So we generalize the formula a power log n base a is equal to x. So if a number power, if it is log with some number and its base, so this number and the base of the logarithm is same. So this is your answer. Okay, log n base a power log n base a is equal to n. So that is the generalized formula.